Hi everyone, my name is Michelle McAllister and it is February 27th, 2021. This is my introduction video. Um, I live in Tampa, Florida. Right now it is a beautiful 78 degrees outside, so we are finally enjoying some warmer weather. I'm so sorry for all my friends out there in the snow. I know it's been a rough winter. Um, I am taking this class hopefully as a prereq for PA school. I've done most of the prereqs for this new program and this should be my last. I would like to apply to the University of Tampa. That's where I got my undergrad degree. And they recently started a PA program, so it's very, very new. And so I thought, I'm going to see if I can knock out these prerequisites and go ahead and apply. I currently work in healthcare. I'm a pacemaker technician, so I have a good work history in healthcare, and I'm excited to see if I can apply and do this. This was not the plan, but sometimes opportunities present themselves and you can't say no. So at the end of this class, I will be applying. Wish me luck. I am so not a science brain, so we're going to give this class a shot. Um, I what else can I add to this video? I don't know why these videos make me so nervous. I had to do different videos for the anatomy class online, if anyone else took that one through UNE, where you had to do the dissections and stuff and hold them up to the camera. No one is looking at these. Like, it's really just a handful of people, but for some reason it does make me super nervous, but whatever. So now that we've gotten that out of the way, I guess the only other thing that's interesting about what I'm doing, if I'm not taking prereqs or trying to get into this program, you can usually find me in the park. I play bagpipes with the city band, the City of Dunedin Pipe Band, which is pretty awesome around here. I don't know if anyone else knows of or has even heard of the band outside of the city, but it's something that I keep very close to my heart and I think is a lot of fun. So that's it. Good luck to everybody in this class. I hope we do well, and let's do it.